We got our last box today. We about to open it up and see how this change thing works. Y'all see me with the correct cuts. I'm real surgical with this. Real surgical. And I'm recovering, so it's not like I'm about to work on the machine today, but I am gonna do an unboxing. So it looks nice. What's in the box? I'm about to show y'all what's in the box. It's pretty much some straightforward stuff. So, Milton, I got my tooth pulled last night or yesterday. That's what I'm only doing, the reboxing, because I just got this. I got 2 birdies now. My shit, so they know it get hot to me. So last night I just put 2 crystal balls in here. So I could probably like separate the metal like this good, better. 2 crystal balls. Charger port. This is an electric charger port because this is an electric miller. Something to grab out the hot stuff with. A couple of extra fuses. Not sure what this is. It's probably a something we could put the metal in, but I already got some stuff I'm gonna do, so I'm not gonna really show y'all this. And then the manual. Now I already know how to use the manual. Before you touch any machine, it's always great to read the manual. You know, before you touch it, read it. Like a doctor would. Go to school, read all the books, and then do it, right? So I'm gonna pretty much work on this. And once I get it, you know, set up as far as, make sure I'm not missing anything. It's some foam had came off, so I probably just, grab some, grab a blow dryer or a vacuum cleaner. Just, we'll probably either or, just to blow this. There's all that little residue on there. But yeah, this is the machine. It's way smaller than I expected. But, you know, it's going to do what it's supposed to do. And I'm going to record the process so you guys can see it because my mouth is swollen. Don't make fun of me in the comments. I'm hurting. I'm really a sensitive baby. So I'm going to put this over here with enough space. This is my 3D printer. Goes to my desktop. out there just so I can create, you know, the cool designs and this, that, and the third. I'm going to do a video on that too, so please stay tuned and follow me for those things. The machine is pretty small. It's heavy though. I don't take that out bad. It is heavy. But before I make this video, I'll probably like lift this up or swap some things, reorganize it, just so it can be a smoother transition when I'm actually making the grills. So that's the furnace, that's a 3D printer, vacuum pump, a burnout for my wax, and I got I'm gonna do 2 processes because I'm not sure which one's gonna work the best. Then I have this. This thing really just spin with the metal in there. And then this is one of the flies. I have like 3 flies. It's probably 2 pieces in there, 2 pieces in the other one. So the next video, I'll show you about melting that stuff down, heating these back up, putting them up, and then showing you how to grill the thing process. But yeah, this is the station. When I come back, I'm gonna probably find some better angles, just so when I start, you guys can see what it's looking like. And this bucket, I'm gonna show y'all, it's for the sandblasting and when I'm actually done, so I can see my product, my water bucket. But that's all I got. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to my channel just for more updates and to watch the process.